A very beautiful morning, all of you. Today we will see the present continuous tense of the chapter number 15, tenses and their uses 1. Okay, now let's see, and we are already familiar with the present continuous tense. We use the helping verb am is plus V4. V4 means present participle. Present participle means ing form of the verb. Actually, in all continuous tense and all perfect continuous tense, we need V4. V4 means present participle, ing form of the verb. Okay, so here the syntax is very simple. Subject plus is plus present participle, ing form of the verb. Okay, like the train. Subject is the train, that it is it. Okay, I am, we are, you are, he, she, it is, they are. So he is running at full speed. I am revising my lesson. They are playing cricket. Boys are wasting the time. So, and interrogative, just we have to put just helping verb in front of the subject. Like, is the train running at full speed? Okay, same like. So, is plus subject plus present participle. So here, okay, is plus subject plus present participle. So is Surekha sitting in the room? Okay, before the subject we have to put or we have to write down the helping verbs. Okay, am I wasting my time in gossip? Are you coming home tomorrow? And you are, sorry, are they playing in the park? So now negative, we have to just put not between the helping verb and main verb. Okay, present participle. So I am not going home today. They are not flying kites. He is not waiting for his father, and you are not wasting your time. Now negative interrogative, it means am is plus subject plus not plus present participle and ing form of the verb. Am I not going home today? So do not forget to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Are they not flying kites? Is he not waiting for the cab? And are you not wasting your time? Clear? Now the main ingredients or main part of this chapter is uses of present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used in the following ways: to describe an action in progress and the continuity of the action. While you are speaking, the action is going on. આપણે બધા જ શીખી ગયેલા છે. Okay, while we are speaking, the action is going on. I am looking from the window and the birds are flying. So I say, look, birds are flying in the sky. So why I am speaking, the birds flying. My seeing and flying, both the action done simultaneously. Okay, that's why it's a present continuous tense. Now we use the present continuous tense to talk about action and events that are taking place at the time of speaking. In order to emphasize this, we often use adverb or adverb phrases of present, like now, just, at present, at this moment, etc. Like I am eating my lunch now. Okay, the baby is sleeping. Someone is knocking at the door. I am working at the moment. So now the second use is, it is important to describe an action in progress but not necessarily at the time of speaking. Second, first the time of speaking, but now it is not necessarily a time જ્યારે આપણે બોલતા હોય ત્યારે એ વાત ચાલુ જ હોય. It is not necessary. So the present continuous tense talk about a temporary action or situation that is currently true or taking place, although not necessarily at the time of speaking. Okay, like he is writing a book on English grammar. We are still importing medicines from abroad. And what is your brother doing these days? Okay, so these, like he is writing a book on English grammar. वो English grammar के ऊपर book लिख रहा है. So अभी जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तब वो लिख रहा है ऐसा नहीं है, लेकिन उसके लिखने की बात जो है चालू है. Presently he was writing on English grammar, a book on English grammar. Okay, so not necessarily that at the time of speaking. We are still importing medicine from abroad. हम बहुत सारी दवाएं बाहर से लाते हैं. अभी भी ला रहे हैं. Okay, what is your brothers doing these days? इन दिनों में तुम्हारा भाई क्या कर रहा है? So इसके लिए भी present continuous tense. Now we also use this tense to describe a current trends. जो current trends के अंदर जो चल रहा है उस part. Same like that. Okay, so people are becoming less tolerant of smoking. Young people are becoming aware of their rights these days. Okay, so current trends के लिए भी हम present continuous tense यूज करते हैं. Now plan future actions. हमने ये भी देखा कि meeting starts at 10 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, the meeting will be start at 10 p.m. tomorrow, and the meeting is starting 10 p.m. at tomorrow. Simple, continuous and future में भी हम future की बात कर सकते हैं. Okay, so the present continuous tense also talks about an event or activity that is planned or arranged to take place in the near future, often with adverbs of time such as tomorrow, later and etc. ये भी हो सकता है. I am meeting my sister tomorrow. They are buying a new car soon. And okay, so future plan के लिए भी हम present continuous tense use कर सकते हैं. Now repeated action. We use present continuous tense to talk about a habit or something that we do lot. बहुत सारे हर जैसे हमारी हर रोज की आदत है कि सुबह 7 बजे उठ जाना और हर रोज और हमारी आदत जो है कंटिन्यू है. सो उसके लिए है ना हैबिचुअल. लाइक शी इज ऑलवेज मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस. उसका बहुत सारे एक्सक्यूजेस होते ही पहले से ही प्रॉब्लम है उसको. ओके, सो फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग अ प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. दे आर रेगुलरली आर्ग्यूइंग अबाउट समथिंग और द अदर. हमेशा आर्गुमेंट रहती है उसकी. सो प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. ही इज फॉरएवर टॉकिंग इन द क्लास. हमेशा बात करता रहता है. सो फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस. नंबर 5 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर 5th वन रिमेंबर, ध्यान से देखना. Sometimes we come across both simple present and present continuous tense. Okay, in the same sentence. एक ही sentence के अंदर हम simple present भी use करते हैं और present continuous tense भी use करते हैं. How? Let's see. The phone always rings when we are having dinner. So rings, it is a simple present and it is a present continuous. Okay, the phone always rings when we are having dinner. So when two actions are happening at the same time in the present tense, we use the present continuous tense for the action that started before. इसमें से the phone rings and when we are having dinner, this action when we are having dinner, this action already has started before. So for that which is already started before, we use a present continuous tense. जो पहले से ही बन चुकी है, पहले से ही हो रही थी, तो उसके लिए present continuous tense. Before, the one had continue after it has finished. The action that interrupts, जो interrupt होती है, बीच में पड़ती है action. This continuous action needs to be in the simple present. Okay? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि फोन की घंटी बजती है तभी हम खा रहे हैं, तब खाना शुरू किया, ऐसा नहीं. हमने जब हम डिनर हमेशा हम डिनर लेते हैं तब फोन की घंटी बजती है. So let us look at the above sentence again. The action that is happening is we are having dinner. The action that interrupts that this is the phone rings. Okay, so for that we are using a present continuous tense. Now let's see the exercise of this chapter. It's very easy. These girls, there's always there's noise. These girls, there's so present continuous. These girls are, and here it's making noise. Okay, I shall tell him the news as soon as I see him. है ना, जब भी मैंने उसे देखा और मेरा देख रहा था तभी वो नहीं. Simple present tense. Okay, the telephone does again. It sometimes 20 times a day. The telephone does again. फिर से टेलीफोन की घंटी बजी. It sometimes, so telephone is ringing, and it sometimes 20 times rings. Okay, so it is continuous tense, it is a simple present tense. So this rest of all you will have to do it in your textbook with a pencil. Okay, it is enough for today. Thank you very much and have a great day.